She's called the secretary bird. But trust me, she's no office lady. With long sexy legs, feathery eyebrows, and a killer wink, she struts like a supermodel. But hunts like a ninja. This bird is a snake's worst nightmare. With legs over 1 meter long, she kicks like a taekwondo master, striking at 80 km/h, fast enough to shatter bones and one-shot a cobra. She's even resistant to venom, thanks to thick scales and lightning-fast reflexes. So, would you dare get kicked by this bird? Comment nope. If you value your bones,